Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I just got a text, our company saying we have just delivered your package, and I'm home, so I just thought here haven't been anyone with a package, but I opened the door and there were two packages. And the funny thing is that I shop a lot all the time, but I remember ordering the TomTalk EDC Sling yesterday. This is it. I will do a separate video about that one. But sometimes I do a list on Amazon where I put some stuff in that I'm gonna check the prices on or whatever. And sometimes I just add it to the cart. So when I bought this, I probably had something else in the cart already, and I actually have no idea of what. I could have just checked my Amazon history, but I thought it would be more fun like this. So let's see. Now remember, I wanted to buy products for cleaning your iPhone Lightning connection contact. So that might be it, but it's not at all. It's a head shaver, something that I already have. I have a video about the Remington head shaver, a great product. So I'm gonna link to that video. 6-in-1 grooming kit. It looks nice, but the thing is, since the car accident, I have holes in my head and scars, and yeah, I really beat up my head. That was one of the reasons that they expected me to die, because of my blood traumas in my head. They actually even wanted to take off my scalp. Either way, so I can't use this, and my plan for the moment is to grow out a hairdo. I want to shave my beard, because the same day of the accident, or a couple of days after, they took off my beard for surgery or something. I don't know. So this is my hospital beard that I don't want to have. So I want to do a fresh start. Nice product. What was the brand? Electric shaver, 6-in-1 grooming kit, 4D. No brand. But it feels nice. Feels nice in the hand. It's in a battery. There are batteries. I don't even remember where I was. But the Remington product like this that I tried was excellent. I really liked it. But now I can't shave my head anymore. So you see the black marks on my head? That's because of the bumps. I have more or less holes in my head. So this was very unnecessary. But you know what? This will be a giveaway. So yeah, let me know that you want it. I would prefer someone in Sweden. I would absolutely prefer someone that can come and pick it up from me, because I can't go to the store and send it. But it feels nice. It really feels nice. Lightweight, doesn't sound too much. 7 heads. Good fitment in the hand. I like it. So it's sad that I can't use it, but I already have one. So yeah, this was a surprise and unnecessary. So yeah, let me know. I don't even want to know why you want it, but let me know that you want it, and hopefully that you can come pick it up from me. That's it. How did this fit before? On to the next package. Thanks for watching. One quick update. I, of course, realized it myself, but I also read that it's also for shaving your face, not only your head. So I might use it because, as I said, I'm going to shave off my beard when I'm off from the hospital completely. But I said it's going to be a giveaway. Of course, it's going to be a giveaway. So let me know that you can come pick it up. I prefer.